So we've finally bought a proper toilet for the campervan. So we're officially in the Porta Potti Owners Society. Lots of reviews on this online. I don't need to do that because everyone knows these are fantastic things. This video is all about how we fitted it to Otto the campervan. And this is where it's going to go. It's going to go just behind the driver's seat there. I've built a little plinth out of wood, and you can see we've got that attached to the airline rails just using a couple of cleats. The main reason we went for the Porta Potti 335 is it's got a hold down kit, and that's what the white things are. They're screwed into the plinth. Now this hold down kit's designed for boats, so I figured if it works on a boat it'll work in a campervan. And the reason why I wanted a hold down kit was I wanted to be able to set up a toilet before we went off on a trip. So it was just there for use throughout the duration of the journey if anyone got caught short, and it can just stay there then for the rest of the trip quite happily. So for the hold down kit, it's absolutely nothing special at all. You've just got some kind of lip here which the toilet fits on at the back, and the catches at the front which slides in and out like so, just to keep everything nice and secure as you're driving around. So let's fit the toilet in. So nothing complicated here. It just slides onto the back like so, and then you press the switch in like that to secure it at the front, and there you go, one very secure Portaloo ready for action. Now of course that can sit there quite happy. You can see where I've put it. I've left enough room to swivel the seat. There's also loads of room to get in and out, but we didn't really want to have to look at a toilet. So thanks to other YouTubers, here's a little trick that I found. Dunelm Mill sell these storage cubes for £10 a go, and they fit the Porta Potti absolutely perfect. Here it is. I'll just try and put this on. Like so. You can fit that over the front quite happily. Like so, and it sits over the back. Put the leverette top on, and there you go. We've got one very well disguised Porta Potti, which also doubles as a seat. So it suits the interior of the van quite nicely. Job's a good one. And finally, now of course you don't want a toilet when you're using it just as a van or a car in day-to-day use, so the storage solution is this that I've got off Amazon. This is absolutely fantastic. £20 Dux bag, waterproof toilet bag, waterproof inside and out, so any leaks from the toilet when in transit, absolutely nothing to worry about. It all sits in there, and that fits perfectly under the bed of the back of the Mercedes. So a really good solution. I'll put the link for that down in the chat. So that's the latest toilet. We'll see how we get on this year with it. Thanks for watching.